Here we have a Butler torch, a model 150 made in Canada. And this one here is a Clayton and Lambert model 600A made in the US. Here's another USA made Clayton and Lambert model 32A-2. And this is a Coleman number 91 made by Butler, Canada. Here's another Coleman made by Butler, but I can't find the model number of this one. And here's a homemade one that I had made out of some extra parts that I had laying around. And this is a forestry torch used to starting fires. They also use this in the orchard to kill weeds. And this is an Otto Benz. It's a 2-quart one, so it's a pretty big one. Model 4A iron, and here is a model 4C iron, both made in Canada. This is a General Sheet Metal Works kerosene heater made in Canada. And here we have a lead melting furnace made by P. Wall in the US around 1932.